Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the dancing animal animation only using one picture. How is that possible? Don't worry, because this video we will show you how. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you can do is install this Pixverse from the Play Store if you are the user of the Android phone, or if you are the user of the iPhone or iOS, then you can install it first from the App Store, and you can simply open it after you install it. And also don't forget to do the sign up or the login first through your Google account or your email. And this is the look of the template, and also this is the look of the home page that shows the creation from another user. And also if you are the user or the new user, then this application will give you the 60 credits. And if you run out of the credits, then don't worry, because it will be renewed every day at UTC 0 following your time zones. And we will go back to the template. Since we would like to create the dancing animal, then we will type the template here, name subject free fever. Then we will choose this template and we will use this template, and it will direct you into the gallery. Then you can select the picture that you would like to create, and as you can see, this animation will need 30 credits to do the generation, and since we have 60 credits to go, then it will be enough. So we can go to create it, and after that it will take you a while to generate the picture to become a video. So it usually shows here about the several video that has been generated, and as you can see here, this is the new line of our video. Then we can see the result here. Is it very funny, right? So you can simply download it if you would like to, and you can also upscale to become the HD, but it will need 80 credits more. So you can do the purchase of the package, and if you would like to share it on your social media, then you can choose this one of the social media you like. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself, and please let us know if this tip and trick also work for you. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.